Hello everyone, I wanted to show you this post hole digger, this auger, gas powered auger that I got. I really like it so far. This goes to about 2.5 feet deep, so if you need to go further for your frost line, you'll either need to hand shovel or figure out something else, maybe get a longer auger that you could probably attach to this. But just so you know, this goes to 2.5 feet. This has a 25-to-1 oil gas mix, so what I do for that is I use a 50-to-1 gas to oil setup, but then I divide the gas into half, which makes it 25/1. I hope that makes sense. This is pretty easy to start up. Basically, just like any other small engine, 2-cycle engine, you just have to turn the switch on, prime it a few times, engage the choke, pull the cord a few times, turn the choke off, and then pull the cord again a few times, and it should start up. But you can see it in action here. It works pretty good. Every now and then I'll hit a rock that I need to hand dig out, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. I don't know how long this will last, but my first couple uses have been pretty good. So I hope this quick video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.